Well, welcome back, Your Excellency. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, I see so many friends here today. It's such a pleasure to be, my humble honor, Robert Barnes, the Global Head of Primary Markets, the Chief Executive of Turquoise, which runs on the Millennium IT platform designed and run in Sri Lanka. And what's fascinating, the role of the stock exchange in the real economy, converting risk capital into working capital. It requires trust. And we share together the principles of integrity, innovation, partnership, excellence, and our aim to be the listing and trading partner of choice. Our approach to do this, as we are today, to gather, to raise visibility, to encourage business together, and to innovate with customers. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great privilege to welcome us all here today for the Sri Lankan Investment Forum 2019, organized by the High Commission of Sri Lanka in the United Kingdom, the Board of Investment of Sri Lanka, the Sri Lanka Association of Software and Services Companies, and of course, a special welcome to Her Excellency Manisha Gunasekara, High Commissioner of Sri Lanka to the United Kingdom. Welcome back, a great friend of the exchange. The Honorable Dr. Harsha De Silva. Welcome, sir, Minister of Economic Reforms and Public Distribution in Sri Lanka, sir. Dr. P. Nadalal Weerasinghe, the Senior Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Mr. Magala Yapa, Chairman of the Board of Investment of Sri Lanka. Mr. Rawindu Paris, past Chairman of the Sri Lankan Association of Software and Services Companies. Lord Amit of Wimbledon, Minister of State of the Commonwealth, the United Nations, South Asia. Thank you, very welcome. And of course, to all the other distinguished guests that are here today, many of you traveling far to be with us at this special time. There have been many strong ties between the United Kingdom and Sri Lanka for many decades. The trade, investment, technology linkages between our two countries are important as ever. Sri Lanka, a very significant destination for investment, as demonstrated by the company's bond listing. Here, it's our privilege of the London Stock Exchange to help the country raise $2.4 billion, but more importantly, twice oversubscribed, evidencing the strong support and conviction of international investors and the success of Sri Lanka. Congratulations. This tremendously successful issuance means that it's a great milestone for us to have a continuation of our positive relationship with Sri Lanka. It's also, Sri Lanka, the home for the London Stock Exchange Group LSEG Technology Department. We now have over 1,100, over 1,100 highly trained and decidedly skilled technology professionals. I can see also the CEO of the Chartered Institute of Securities Investment here, Simon Culhane, today. Many of the financial professionals aiming and achieving the highest standards by succeeding in those diplomas. Congratulations. And I must also say, you also heard that Alderman Sir Alan Yarrow, a former Lord Mayor of the City of London, is also the chairman of Turquoise. Turquoise, part of the London Stock Exchange Group. Turquoise in 2010, a trading platform with one connection to trade 19 countries in Europe, in 2010 became 51% owned by the London Stock Exchange, and the number one action was to immediately re-platform on what was the best platform in the world, the Millennium IT platform. And a number of us had the privilege to discuss earlier as we were coming into this venue, the milestone we've just achieved on that platform of processing for customers successfully more than $8 trillion of securities in just a decade. That's really, truly amazing. But perhaps more amazing is as we work together in partnership with the global institutional investors to help them minimize the slippage cost by trading at the midpoint in electronic block trading, that platform has now become the number one out of 20 competitors in Europe. And together, we can share in the success, and for us, we give a sincere thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's our humble and sincere delight to host this year's Sri Lankan Investment Forum. This afternoon's impressive lineup of presentations and panel discussions will attest to the leading prospects for investors and the investments that Sri Lanka offers. London is especially well placed to partner. London is the gateway to broad and long-term institutional investor base, deep pools of capital, and we are proud to support the employment and investment in Sri Lanka. You as our great partners, ladies and gentlemen, before any further ado, it is now my great privilege to welcome one of the great leaders, the Honorable Dr. Harsha De Silva. Please may we invite him to the stage to deliver the keynote address. Thank you very much. Thank you.